On this C6 Corvette, we're gonna make this tire and rim shine. Everything I used will be linked down in the description. Save some money, click the links. Spray the top layer of crud off with either a pressure washer or just stick your thumb over the hose to create pressure.
Make sure you slap that like button just like you slap something else entirely.
Spray wheel cleaner on the wheels and tires liberally. Now, these are forged aluminum monoblock wheels that are more expensive and have a higher financial value than my first house. Ironically, my first house also had wheels and tires. I like to then lightly spray some car shampoo, not soap, over the top of the wheel cleaner. Keeping it lubricated allows you to let it sit longer with no fear of it drying up. Proof that with enough lube, anything is possible. Before you get to scrubbing your wheels, it's now time to scrub them tires. These are the Nitto 555s, and for those of you with the sports car who want some good performance without breaking the bank, I would look into these. Again, I have an affiliate link through Fitment Industries in the description so you can shop for the perfect wheel, tire, and suspension setup for your car. Spray once more lightly that wheel cleaner and then the car shampoo.
SCRUBALUBADUBDUB!
This is the time where you get to break out your wheel woolly, brush, and microfiber towel. With the wheel woolly, get into them wheels like you're giving a patient a proctology exam. Roto-Rooter style, man. You need to agitate the crusties off your wheels, and this may take some time as you don't want to ram it in and out like John Holmes, kind of damaging up your rims. That's bad. Take your time, you'll get there. Is I'm going to take my brush and lightly agitate the dirt, brake dust, road boogers, and grime off the surface. Make sure to comment and subscribe for more DIY on a budget, tips and tricks that actually work. Dry the wheels well, as you don't want water spots, because I'm assuming you don't have a water filtration system in your garage. Again, this is on a budget. You can either use a blower, like a leaf blower, or you can use a terry cloth or microfiber towel, or a combination of the two. Tire shine, now this is a personal preference, and the one I'm using isn't technically a tire shine. It's Meguire's hyper dressing. I spray it only on the applicator. I spray a lot. The beauty of this product though is that it makes any plastics, trim or rubber on your car that isn't clear just pop and look luscious. That's a new word for me. I'm leaving it on and not spraying it off for quite some time. Why? Because the longer you leave it on, the deeper the shine, and just like I illustrated in my video on how to clean your engine bay like a pro with my wife's C7 Corvette, I left this same Meguire's hyper dressing on there for quite a long time. Would it have been great to get the car off the ground with a lift or jacks, get each wheel off the Corvette individually and really get in there, clay bar, polish the wheels, and then add some ceramic coating?
Heck yeah, and I'll show you how to do that in another video, but next time I'm going to show you how to hand polish. That's right, hand polish with elbow grease. How to get yourself a beautiful shine. You don't need a really expensive polisher. Yeah, it helps and I love mine, but you don't need it. Daggone, maybe that's why I got them Popeye arms just on the right side, or is it from that other motion? Daggone.